All right, the more practice. Determine the ordered pairs of each location. All right, so first of all, we have our park here. Our park is all the way over here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, -3, -4, -5. So +5, comma, -5. All right, next one. We have our restaurant over here. We are going to go +1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 1. So 5, comma, 1. All right, and then let's see our police station. We're going to have our police station here. We're going to go +1 and +1. So 1, comma, 1. I want you guys to try these two on your own. So I'm not going to give you the answers. I want you to try to find the coordinates on your own. The distance, I will do 2 of them, and I want you to do this one on your own. All right, so, yeah, the park and the restaurant is what I want you guys to do on your own. We're going to look at the bus stop and the grocery store. So our bus stop and our grocery store. Let's see how many units away they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Let's see our police station and our restaurant. Police station, restaurant. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, say about 4 again. 4 units. All right, I want you to figure out the distance between the park and the restaurant on your own. I want you guys to try that on your own and see if you can get it. That's going to be it for the more practice. Great job. You can do it.